Have you heard about KooBits? Meet Miko, a girl who thinks that math is scary. Whenever Miko needs help in math, she looks for her parents. Oh no! Sometimes mommy or daddy also forgets how to solve math problems. Luckily, they have KooBits, the best math learning solution for primary kids. To play, she can use any computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Type KooBits from any browser, then enter her user ID. Miko must change the default password after her first login. If she forgets, she can ask the teacher to reset. Using her account, Miko's parents can register their emails here. KooBits will send a notification every time a teacher assigns homework. Okay, now Miko is ready to begin. She starts from the daily challenge. It already aligns to her school curriculum. She can manually set the level of difficulty or just let the system cleverly decide for her. Every right question in challenge will give her challenge points. With this, she can climb the leaderboard and see her name among the other achievers. Wow! This is very cool! Mom and Dad will be very proud of her. Sometimes, her school teachers also assign homework in KooBits under this tab. Miko is a very responsible and honest student, so she always completes her homework and never cheats. When she stumbles on a certain topic, Miko goes to self-practice. Here, she can see the skill map of the whole level. Every skill will provide its own video tutorial for Miko. So now, mommy or daddy can also watch and learn with her. Now that she understands the concept, she can start practicing and turning every blue medal there into gold. Mommy and daddy can also monitor her progress through Report, where Miko's activities are recorded well. They can see how well she understands each topic and where she made the mistakes. Miko's parents really love how KooBits keep them connected to her education. KooBits is also super fun. Whenever Miko gets bored, she reads the story math and plays the brain games. Before she knows it, math is no longer scary for Miko. She gets better and better with her grades at school. Since KooBits is online, Miko will need the support from mommy and daddy, like permission to use gadget and internet connection. Well, they are happy to spend a quality time beside her while she learns. Want to learn like Miko? Go get your KooBits!